Hello everyone, it's wonderful to see you again. Life teaches us something new every day. Let's embrace it with a positive heart, keeping that in mind. Here, this is our next question. Question number 3 of worksheet 2, chapter 3, exponent and radicals of DAB class 8th. So today we are doing here question number 3 of this worksheet 2. Our question number 3 is evaluate. It have 4 parts 1, 2, 3, 4. In this video we do only first and our third part and all parts are same to these ones. So our first part is 0.04 raised to power 3 upon 2. Here the exponent of this is 3 upon 2. This is the base. 0.04 is the base and 3 upon 2 is our exponent. Our exponent here is positive exponent. In this question, we solve this question by removing the decimal of this question. Let's begin. Let's begin with our answer. So, this is 0.04 raised to power 3 upon 2. Now, from here, I remove the decimal from here. So, I write it as 4 upon, after decimal, there are two numbers here, 0 and 4. So, I write 2 zeros with 1 here. And its exponent is 3 upon 2. Again, I remove here decimals and after decimal, there are two numbers here, 0 and 4. So, I write 2 zeros along with 1. I write 4 as 2 raised to power 2 or 2 multiplied by 2. 2 raised to power 2, here it is 4, its exponent is 3 upon 2. In denominator I write 10 multiplied by 10, that is all 10 raised to power 2 which is equal to 100. 10 raised to power 2 which is equal to 100 and its exponent is 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 is the exponent of both these two numbers. 3 upon 2. After this, I write is equal to 2 raised to power this 2. I remove this bracket from here and I write this multiply then 3 divided by 2 upon same. We are doing in the denominator 10 raised to power this 2, removing bracket. I write here multiply 3 upon 2. This 2 cuts this 2, this 2 cuts this 2. So we have 2 raised to power 3 from here and from denominator I have 10 raised to power this 3. So, I write 2 raised to power 3 as 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1000. This is equal to 1000. So, now we get this 8 upon 1000. Then, I here write this number in the decimal form. So, I write it as this decimal 008 then again here 0.008. Here in the denominator we have 3 zeros. So, after decimal we have here 3 numbers. So, this is our answer of this question. Now, we are doing here our question number 3 third part. All parts are same. So, we are doing here now our third part and our third part is 0.03125 raised to power minus 2 upon 5. Here this is our base 0.03125 is our base and minus 2 upon 5 is our exponent. This is our negative exponent. I write here answer. So firstly, I have to remove the decimal from here. So I write it as 3125 upon 1. After decimal, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit. 5 or 5 number. So I write 50 with 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with its exponent -2 raised to power 5. So we can now solve this by the prime factorization method. So I write 3125 as, when we multiply 5 by 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we get this number. Again, doing the prime factorization of this denominator, we get 10 multiplied by, when we multiply 10 5 times, we get this number. Writing exponent as -2 upon 5 is equal to, I write 5 raised to power 5. This number as 5 multiplied by 5 times, this is equal to 5 raised to power 5 upon, in denominator, again 10 raised to power 5, and the exponent -2 raised to power 5. This is the exponent of both these two numbers. So I write it as 5 raised to power 5 multiplied by -2 upon 5, then in denominator 10 raised to power 5 multiplied by this -2 raised to power 5. This 5 cuts this 5, this 5 cuts this 5, we get 5 raised to power -2, and in denominator we get 10 raised to power -2. Both 5 and 10 have same exponent, so I write it as 5 upon 10 raised to power -2. I can also write 5 upon 10 as 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, which is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to power -2. Now we have here the negative exponent. So we have here 1 upon 2 raised to power -2. Now we have to make this negative exponent into the positive exponent. So we make, I write it as 1 upon 2 raised to power -2 is equal to 2 raised to power 2. And we know that 2 raised to power 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So here 4 is our answer of this question. That's all in today's video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.